Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video guys, I'm going to share with you my full body or total body exercise. So let's do this. This is one of my favorite exercise na lagi kong ginagawa araw-araw. Hindi ito nawawala sa akin. Bilang ako siya guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So guys, you can do this guys 100 counts. Since ay nagmamadali na ako at may mga gagawin pa ako, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo nila. Nasulat ako ng exercise. Ito before ako mag-AM. Thank you so much for watching and please follow me.